Welcome to the New Black Quick Tips. Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate all our fashion clothing features directly into your website or app using our API. Click on API. Here is the documentation to integrate our fashion clothing API. With our API, you can integrate all our fashion features directly on your website or app and propose them to your users. You will need to authenticate with your email and password on the New Black to use our API. We will make a simulation just after. Pricing is clear and simple. When you make API calls, your credits on the New Black will be used, so you will need to add credits to your account to make API calls. Generally, one design uses one credit, but it depends on the feature you use. Finally, our endpoints. An endpoint corresponds to a feature. For a specific feature you want to use, you will need to make a call to a specific endpoint. For example, here our photo editing feature to change clothes in a photo, or our runway feature to generate a runway model, shoes to generate a shoe design. But let's use our clothing feature to show you how an API works. You will be able to create a fashion outfit directly on your website or app. When you make an API call, you request a design from the New Black. Some information is required to send your design back to you. For example, outfit description, gender, and country of the model. This is an example request and an example response. We will return you a design image URL. Now, in order to show you how an API call is made, we will simulate an external call from a website or application external to the New Black, like your website or app. To do this, we will use a specific website called Postman. Let's go. You must first specify the type of call you're making. It's POST here. Next, you need to specify the specific endpoint URL. Next, the design information we mentioned earlier. Oh wait, I'll put the API call in form data. Let's put all the necessary information. And you will also need to add your account email and password email to make a successful API call. When you make a call, it will use a credit on your account. Now let's fill in the information. For this demo, I will use my personal account on the New Black to make a call. I will delete my account after this demo. Now let's describe our fashion design. Let's ask for a red jacket and blue pants. Gender must be man or woman only. Any other entry will return an error. The country indicates the model type. Let's put Vietnam here. Finally, for negative, you can put a list of what you don't want in the design. Let's just put ugly here. Now we are all configured, but let's check again. Then let's send our request to the New Black API. Let's wait a few seconds together. You see, I no longer have credit on my account. The New Black API therefore returns an error message. Wait a moment. Let me add some credits to my account. Okay, now I added credits. Let's resend the request again. The design is being created by the New Black. And here is our design image URL. Let's see what the design looks like. Here is our design. Keep in mind that you may need help from a developer to integrate this feature on your website and allow your users to create designs. But don't worry, it's not that complicated. Also, please feel free to contact us for assistance. That's it for this quick tip.